Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to list an item for sale on Stockx. So to start selling on Stockx, you would need an account, which is the very simple and the basic thing to do. Then eventually you would need to become a seller. So to become a seller, you would need to go through a couple of steps and they are pretty much important. So click on here on your profile and click on seller. Once you do that, you will be here in this page where you will have to fulfill these informations. From verifying your email into adding the shipping address and also adding your payment method. Once you add all of the threes, you will have then to verify your identity because these threes are basically common things like just filling in information, but this one is very important since you cannot be a seller without confirming and verifying your identity. So verify your identity using your li- driving license, passport, ID, anything that could verify your identity with, and sometimes they will ask you for an image. Once you have set down everything here, then you will need to set up your payout method, which is basically how you are going to cash out the money, which account. Because some people would want like to have payment method different than the payout method, so it's all up to you. Once you have all of that, you can literally go here and click on this page, which is sell. And as you can see here, go to stockx.com, so sell. And here you'll be able to choose like the product you are looking for to sell. So you can choose here, for example, I'm going to choose, for example, Nike. And here you'll, for example, choose this one as a template. They will give you template to choose to go for. And here you simply have to fulfill the information like description, list your item, agree to the rules, and basically add pictures and add your terms and conditions, and finally the price. And yeah, this is how you can list your item. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.